was a bit too close to my face. Now, maybe we have audio. Okay, why do I say that? Well, it's quite simple. The other day I actually did a video, or an unboxing video, and consequently, like a complete dick, forgot to... I've been messing around with the camera and I changed the audio because I was trying out with microphones and stuff, and I forgot to switch it back, so consequently I recorded it with no audio whatsoever, so you'll get to see that at a later time anyway. And I was so busy being a sad git and updating the ROM on my phone yesterday, I completely forgot all about a video, and I'd got a video planned. So anyway, I'm going to do one for you today. Pretty quick, pretty fancy, don't know, but either way, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is down there, and next to it there's a bell icon. Hit that for your notifications so you know if I do any more videos. Now, I did a video the other day about my new gloves, which, believe it or not, it's been snowing today. It looks very cold out there, very wet, very nasty, and tomorrow I'm going to try them in the rain and the snow, so that should be good. But anyway, the problem I had was, which you will see in a second, the audio. Now, I've got the Senna Bluetooth with the Senna, he says reaching over, with the Senna Bluetooth pack. Now, I've been using that as a backup because I also recently bought the audio adapter for the 5, the Hero 5, and it's fine. It was fine. It was great, and I was using it on this. Apart from when I did the video about my gloves, and I hit about 70 or something mile an hour, which you will hear shortly, it made a horrendous noise, crackling and all sorts. So I'm not sure if if it's this microphone and the wire, or the wire's broken in this microphone, or there's something drastically wrong with this microphone. I don't know. You ain't looking at me. Put it that way. Oh, hello. Yeah, that was clever, you fucking Toran. And even that was clever, you fuck. But I thought I'd try a different microphone and see how that works. And then go from there. And the microphone I'm going to try is a Boya. It's a Boya, and it's a Lavalier microphone, and it's specifically for the GoPro cameras. Now, in this box here, he says, bearing in mind, look, I'm doing an unboxing. Yay! I'm really shit at unboxing. I've got to admit, I'm really, really shit at unboxing. But anyway, in here we have a lovely microphone. Now, you also get the adapter for the GoPros. Yeah, so I can use it on this one as well, because it just goes into there like so, and then obviously I can plug into it, etc, etc. Now, I'm hoping that this plugged into the Hero 5 will actually reduce that horrendous noise that I had on the video, and provide some adequately brilliant sound for the audio. Because I've got to admit, the audio on, got a nice little clip there which comes off, he says. There we go. Oh, I might use that. That will fit well on my other one. The audio on the Hero 5 cameras, I've got to admit, it's pretty good. Especially using an external microphone. It is absolutely amazing. I can't believe how good it is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try this. I'm going to see what this is like. But first off, I'll need to put it in the helmet, and it's quite small actually. It's quite diddy. And so one thing I do need to do is fit it into the helmet. I'm going to put it down here and fit it into the helmet, which shouldn't be too hard. And I'm going to have it running out of here, so I'm going to have it coming down the side cheek here, like so, as he pulls off the foam bit. So I'm just going to have this bit in here, he says, putting it in place and clipping it in. And that keeps coming off. I might have to do something about that. I might get some double-sided sticky tape and stick that down. But anyway, This is really simple installation of this microphone. So now what you have to bear in mind is that it's going to come up here somewhere, so you don't want a huge amount of cable sticking out, and we'll see how this sounds when I use it tomorrow on the bike, because I say on the other one, as you heard, it was horrendous. I've got no idea what caused that, and I know everything's in place. That's what I love about this helmet, is it's quite easy to install stuff into it. Not that you can actually see what I'm doing at the moment because it's quite dark, he says, fiddling around with bits and pieces. And have you noticed, look, I have inherited a furry thing. There is a furry thing at the end of my bed. I don't own a cat. I've never owned a cat. This doesn't look happy at me now, look. But it's there. Oh, that's my new voice thingy. No, my new phone telling me I have a tweet. I can't get this in. Excuse me. There we go. There we go. You're in. And you're in. Okay. So that's pretty much that bit done. What I need to do now is... Pray to God that I haven't just done what I think I've just done. Oh no, that's the speaker. Oh, that was lucky. Right, I need to pull this through a little bit more. I keep grabbing the speaker wire. It's a very diddy microphone, this, I've got to admit. There we go, we're in. We're in. And I will also be using my my Senna as a backup, so that I don't have the same problem as I had last time. So there we go. New microphone in place, and all I've got to do is just hide some of this wire, which will tuck down in there like so, and then hopefully I will get better volume, well, not better volume, better audio than what I had on the last video when I was doing 70 odd mile an hour. Anyway, so there we go. So yeah, so it's the Boya BY-LM20 microphone, and it's specifically for the GoPro cameras. So it's perfect for the GoPro Hero 4, 3+3 and Hero 2 camcorders, so it should be alright for the Hero 5. It's an omnidirectional microphone, frequency range of 34 Hz. I have another, look, here it is. I've got another fairy thing walking in now. Again, I don't own cats. They've just decided to move in and they won't fucking go away. Signal noise is 70 decibels, and sensitivity, it says minus 30 decibels plus or minus 3 decibels and 0 decibels at 1 volt per amp. And it has a good old 3.5 plug, which it does do, and a fucking long piece of bloody cabling, which seems to go for everywhere. But the beautiful thing about this helmet is that the cable does seem to tuck away quite nicely. So all I've got to do is just tidy that little bit up there. So there we go. So yeah, so hopefully this will sound better than the horrendous noise I had on it on the other one, which I showed you a second ago. And I shall leave you with. So guys, thank you very much for watching this very short impromptu video. I do apologise for getting to do one. I have got other bits and pieces that I will be doing. I've got plenty to do. I've got loads of stuff to do. I've got another parcel that's arrived somewhere that has got a very important piece of equipment in it, which I think you'll love. This is going to be quite interesting. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will catch you next time, and I promise not to forget to do another video again. So cheerio, arrivederci, and goodbye from me. And those two fairy things over there. Yeah, those two fairy things.